Hello and welcome back. We have now come to the lifeline of college life. It's the club culture. It's the thing that holds everything together. Though academics is the most important thing, it's not the most enjoyable. At least not as enjoyable as it should be. So after a full day of studies, labs, assignments, you need something to cheer you up, something to refresh you, something to give you that dopamine rush to feel motivated. Now, when I say club culture, I mean everything apart from studies and hostel life. All the clubs, fests, competitions, everything that happens inside the college apart from academics. But why are clubs important? You can pursue your hobbies without even joining clubs, right? You can form groups with your friends and work along with them towards a particular goal. You don't need to join clubs and work with strangers. Why would you go through all the struggle of connecting with strangers? So I tell you some things about club culture which make it worth your efforts. I tell you some things which are not very evident from the outside. Things which will play a crucial role in transforming your life throughout the 4 years that you spend in college. When you join a college as a fresher, you don't know anyone. Everyone is a stranger to you, most of the times. At least that was the case with me when I joined NIT Rourkela. So in the first year, you will have combined classes with more than 100 students per batch. So it's difficult to find means to form connections. It's hard to form groups of people with same ideologies, same interests, same goals among all hundreds of thousands of freshers when everyone is a stranger with primitive social skills. Here, the clubs act as a mean to connect like minded people. Now, in clubs, you won't only meet freshers, but seniors and super seniors too, and in some cases, professors and alumni too. These people form a compact support system which will help you throughout the college and beyond. For all of your problems, whether it's related to your goals or your hobbies or your academics or life in general, you can go to these people and they'll always be there to guide you. This is, I think, the most important thing about club culture, which not many people realize. Another thing is, you can form groups with your friends with similar interests as yours. You might have to try out different things, different plans of action, different strategies, and in the process, you might fail multiple times at trivial stuff. But in the end, you'll surely learn something. You'll learn a lot of things, and you'll gain experience. Now, suppose after whole year of going through this, after a whole year of experiences, you decide to form a club, and then you induct the upcoming batches who have the same goals and same interests. Now, what will happen is you will become a resource. The club will become a resource for all the upcoming batches. They won't have to work on things from scratch. They will have a full archive of tried and tested strategies and processes that they can capitalize on and move ahead. So the club will become like a reservoir of years of experiences. And lastly, the most acknowledged part of a club is the personal development. When you try out different things, you obviously mature in the process. And when you do it along with studies, lectures, assignments, labs, then you learn to manage your time. And when you work in a group with people with different perspectives, with different thought processes, then you learn to manage people also. You learn to present yourself, you learn to express yourself, you learn to communicate, analyze, and you grow a lot throughout the process. So these are some things through which clubs transform you throughout the course of your degree. So be sure to join some clubs when you go to college. Now, what all clubs are there in a college? What are the things that they offer? How to get into these clubs? How do these clubs work? There are a lot of questions which are very hard to address for each and every college. But I'll surely tell you about NIT Rourkela as I am from NIT Rourkela. So, talking about the club culture of NIT Rourkela, the whole club culture in NIT Rourkela is centered around SAC, the Student Activity Center. It's like a managing body of all the student activities like clubs and fests and competitions, everything. And the SAC is divided into four different societies, which are the Films and Music Society, Literary and Cultural Society, Sports and Games Society, and Technical Society. And there are 60 plus clubs distributed amongst these societies based upon the area that they work in. Now, along with all these societies, there are some chapters also, like the Civic Mackay chapter, and our very own student media body, which is called the Monday Morning. Now, SAC has a very detailed structure, which is not possible to explain in the short video. So, I'll attach a link in the description, which you can check out. And on that link, you will find the SAC constitution and all about all these societies, these chapters, and about Monday Morning, and everything that you need to know about the student activities in our campus. So, make sure to check out that link. Now, as I said, there are 60 plus clubs in NIT Rourkela, and induction to these clubs are solely based upon your interest and your intention to learn. And these inductions are conducted twice a year for most of the clubs. and some clubs only conduct it once a year, and it's mostly conducted during the start of the academic year when the freshers join the college. You can join as many clubs as you want as long as you can manage everything. So the first thing that you should know is that the clubs are not a part of the academic curriculum. That means it's not compulsory to be a part of any club. And also there are no extra grades for any extracurricular activities. But you can mention your membership on your CV. You can mention your achievements or any position of responsibility that you held at the club. But instead of writing all these things on your CV, what's more important is gaining the experience from these clubs and incorporating them in your personality. And these experiences only will give you an advantage in placements and internships and throughout your life. So if the club culture doesn't give you anything materialistic, even if it doesn't give you grades, even if it doesn't give you distinction, you should compulsorily join these clubs when you come to college. Because what you will get there will be far better than any extra grades. So the club culture is all about emotions, connections, love, and support. And I know it's impossible to showcase everything inside this video, but I tried my best to address all the things that I possibly could. But if I missed something, you can surely write it down in the comments and I will address them as soon as possible. You can also message me on my Instagram account. The link to that account is in the description below. And be sure to check out my previous videos, which are on hostels of NIT Rourkela and departments and branches of NIT Rourkela. So hit like if you find this video useful and share it with your friends and with any upcoming you know. And do subscribe to my channel because a lot more content on the freshers is coming up, and press the bell icon if you do not want to miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.